Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your My account and turning on My Cloud Sync. First, sign in and verify so the service trusts your device. Once done, open Settings, go to My Account, then My Cloud toggle Contacts, Photos, and Notes on. Make sure to glance at available storage so you know limits. If you're near capacity, decide whether to upgrade or free up space. Do this now so uploads will begin automatically without further delay. You now configure the details that control how and what gets saved. Start by choosing backup frequency and enable Wi-Fi only uploads if you want to avoid data charges. Then customize app-level backups, include messages, call logs, and app data for a full restore option. For photos, pick original or optimized uploads and choose formats like HEIC or JPEG to balance quality and storage. Make sure to confirm encryption and backup schedule. This prevents gaps and ensures consistent recovery options. You finish by learning restore, sharing, and a key troubleshooting step. To restore, open My Cloud on the target device and choose Restore from Backup. This brings contacts, photos, and app data back. For collaboration, share files with links or QR codes and set permissions or expiration to control access. If something goes wrong, one reliable fix is to verify you're signed into the correct My account, confirm available storage and network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.